Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Dziwits, Madsanma, Trononoma. How are we all doing on this beautiful Tuesday? Cunas Talmuds Igdenu Galer Air on Morts Allen Show, or it certainly is lovely here, at least in Seville. Tashagahalan Show is Seville, Arenos, 29 degrees Celsius. As we record this, the game is 5 Celsius, August Misha, Eg Tafadu Jerkanish, but I don't want to make anyone jealous back at home. New Megiri Aid, a Chur, Arania, Arash, in Aaron. But yeah, certainly September and October really the best months of the year to be here in Seville, in my opinion. Gandaus Dumse Reinos is iad mi Vionfover agus mi Eurofover na Miana is far irit na Blina Honavet on Sho is Seville Dumse Reinos. How are we all doing? Cunas atá muid galéir. This week on the show, on Sachtan Show, Air on Show, I'm going to be speaking a little bit about Caceres by Makelarts Bioganin Fui Caceres. Now, anyone who's listened over the last few weeks will know what I mean when I say Caceres. Ein dinne arau egeistecht like cúpla seachtain a nús. No, on Tom Show and Nuri this time last year as well, because I was also there this time last year. Vi mean sin on Tom Shudgen Vleen a Nuri Kovma. You'll know what I'm on about when I say Caceres by Sag of Kadata Igesh Dagum Nur Talme Iglarts Vi Caceres. But for those of you who don't, Caceres is a small city in Spain. Is Cahar Vyug I Caceres on Sho Spawn. Tough to describe where it is on the map. Tá sé Jacker Hun Kershis Iano or Ka Wilche Air on Lairskal. If you, let's say, drew a line from Madrid to Lisbon, so ma Tatosa on Bates or Lina a Harrinch or Madrid to Lisbon, it would be right on the halfway point of that line, more or less. Zurich, no, Congrach, Zurich air on La Fuincha, no, on Puincha La Valok air on Lena Shin. So it's not really in the south of Spain, but it's definitely not in the north. Neil Shin show in Yeshkart in Spain, where I am now in Seville, on Och a Wilmay Anish is Seville, but it's definitely not in the north of the country. Neil Shay it Dushkart Nitsira Akanerid either. So kind of weird place, not too far away from the Portuguese border, but not right beside it. Nil sé I wad o Huron, the ports and Gaelic, nil sé Zurich and Akalesh Akanerid. So it's kind of in between ever. She says Idzir Gakaj. You'll see it anyway if you have the map. Motan Lerskalad by Tuanan a Ekol. And the reason I go there on the third weekend of September every year on Fall, Avin Misha Igdol and Shin, Le Kupla Cara with a few friends, Erin Triu Der Shachtana Gok mi Vionfover, is because the biggest flag kiol in the world outside of Ireland, and flag kiol is Mo Tivmoid Erin, or at least I think it is, Capam Erino School, say mar on flag kiol is Mo down Tivmoid Erin. It does be on in Caceres every September. Beans here shul in Caceres Gok mi Vionfover. And when I say fla, I mean Irish trad, Irish just music. Nor germ fla, Tomig Laurts, agus Tomig Taggart, I'm referencing Kjol Tradishunta Neherin. Don't ask me how it ended up there. Na chur Keshterm, Keen Hui, Diary Shay, Gwil Fla, Kjol, and Shin. It's been going on over 20 years. Tasher Shul, Lenis Mo, Na Fihiblin, Anish. And Caceres doesn't have any links to Ireland. Níl real Nascana, no Canglety, a Caceres Leira. I mean, there are places in Spain that do have historical and cultural links, very strong cultural links with Ireland. Tá lá náchana sa Spáin na Nascana, Ládra, Lehéran Marhampla. For example, Galicia would be the main one in the northwest. Galicia and Shin in Ear Hushkart Nitira, because I believe I don't know the full history. Níl Cluam really Fuin Star Stocha, no Fuin Star Fod, but I believe it was the Celts that was there, Captain Gron Celtic on Shin, na Blinto hin years ago. But Caceres doesn't have any real connection. It's not a place that has much tourism or is very international at all. Níl mór an Torsory on Shin, no níl sé roidir náisiúnta ar churbe. So I really don't know where it comes from and how this all started. Níl clú agam cén chuí hosaí se seo, but for me, Domsa, it's one of the best events of the year in Spain. Tá sé mar ceann in himachtaí is fearr sa bhliain an seo sa Spáin, and I'm not even that interested in trad. Níl mór an sim agam I gceol trad. I don't play trad instruments. Well, I play the guitar, but I don't play trad on the guitar. I play in standard tuning. Tá mé ná beagnaíonn de guitar a chasú ach ní raibh not very good agus ní féidir le main trad a chasú. So if I like it, someone who's big into their trad would absolutely love it. Má tá sim agamsa agus má hatníonn sé lumsa cínte go méid like daoine eile gafa le trad bheidh siad gafa le casraes agus an Irish fleadh I gasraes. So went up there on the Friday, who mentioned here on Ina with 3 friends for Chordza. One or two of them might be listening. Chance ma will Kian no virch egeistucht. So a big hello to Ross, Kitty and Maria. Hi Morga, Ross, Kitty, Agus, Maria, who are with me. Going up to Castres, Vilum, Igdol, Anus, on Shin Castres. And we got there on the Friday afternoon. One that, it's funny with these trips. I've done a lot of these trips this year in Spain. Tá launch in a thirst show, Jainta Agam, sa Spáin, in Molina, Gaji show. These kind of 2 or 3 days. I was up in Pamplona for 2 days, over in Cadiz for 2 days, Almería and Granada for 3 days. And it's funny the stuff that stands out. Tá sé grand for in ruddy a chiasan amach. And sometimes it's not the thing itself, like the big concert in the evening or having a really cool dinner or whatever. Or into Neil said like on Rud a Hain a Chiasan amach. Neil said like on Kilchurm is mo, on Shin on Pre-Rud, the kind of main thing you're going to see, will do dull hun fecal. Often it's just the random things like, we drove up in the car and just kind of stopping on the way, Chumán was on Shin sa chor agus few just like stopu an Slee to head in somewhere and get a bit of food and kind of chatting about the weekends on Dullestock. And one of the great things in Spain, I guess you can do this in literally any country in the world. Tá an é seo aon sir down, but I think it's especially cool in Spain. You can just shop in any kind of place. And I'm not talking about an Apple Green or a service station. They make lots of, station service shugs to the Apple Green and Erin or motorway services or anything. But there's loads of towns right beside the motorway in Spain. Talon Bali, Jira Kanaka, Lishon Motoralak, Saspon. And just way cool at driving to one of those, park the car anywhere and go for a bit of lunch, go for a bite to eat, even just get a coffee, Dulles shot got and agus lona a few coffee all, and just excited for the weekend. The gachta nig Sewell, Lessenger shot and no one's hung over at this point. Neil poats Irania egg on buidse show, and even just those things kind of randomly, ending up in places you would never end up in. Creek no knots not make far reeve the hair not will to on the very rash good Joe place that you're not going to be back to again probably as well. And then getting back in the car and heading on. So we were there from Friday until Sunday. We went on Shane on Ian a good see to Downey. Just 2 nights, kind of booked a Lostein is the only word coming to me. Asquelga accommodation in Maryland, but booked an apartment rather. So Hermid's Orson in Orja for the 2 nights. And it's again, a lot of these trips this year. I launched in a Thursday show in Molina, even when I was back at home. And I went to Belfast for a few days, and I had to stay in Faro in Portugal the night before my flight. Rime Arash in Erin, Iran Tari, Exig Phonic the Mail First, the Kupliha, Eximic Phonic the Faro, so Fortune Gale, Lafai, who won. A lot of these places I've been staying in Airbnbs or Booking.coms or these type of places. They're not hotels, but kind of private accommodation. It's like a Lostein Privodzuk, for just some thoughts here, I can kind of call it. And it's amazing how automated it is now. Tá sé do hard to kick of stoka uibriok o will say anish that you don't have to meet with anyone. You just get sent a code and there's lockbox there. Shoulder code huget agus tá lockbox an sin buska agus tá an code a chur stock. You can put the code in. You have the keys on the hooker card, and then when you're leaving, you just leave the keys the same place. Nor thought to fog all. is féidir leat na hucracha a ágáil snáit céine. Maybe I sound a bit kind of like a boomer saying this visual come a boomer ag láirt mar seo, but to me that's been a new thing this year, and all these Airbnbs and booking places that I've stayed in na hots and a show na hots and Airbnb agus booking a bhfuil mé tar éis fannach done to is stocha Melina, the ones that I've kind of stayed in this year, and it just makes things a lot easier. To be honest, I know you could say, oh, it's a bit, you could be like back in the day, an absentee landlord, and you never have to actually be there, and is it too easy then to, set up too many Airbnbs and over tourism? We'll say Royce gone Airbnbs or Charhugs over tourism, but certainly for me, I'm not going anywhere where there's over tourism. I only go really to places, smaller places that probably need the tourism. Tomishik dul gots and a Nice Lewil on Torsiocht ag Tastalwahu. Places like Cáceres and even Almeria on the coast in Spain, probably one of the least visited coastal cities in all of Spain. Chance Magwil to Mariciant and Cathrica. Lesh on made is Luthor story Spawn and so on. So I guess I don't think too much about that, but it's cool. It's nice. It makes it a lot easier. Tasha Wadney says you don't have to be worried about letting them know when you're gonna get there. You get there whenever and you walk straight in. Tatuanan is though Shreku or not Payor August Tatuanan Shula Shock. So that was nice. We had that place for 2 nights, and the way the Cáceres Flow works, there's mainly kind of 2 things. Well, there's 3 things I suppose that you can do. The 3-year-old Gerfrage that chain. The first one we don't really get involved in. Chedrod Niveen Woods Reeve really Portuk Maleshka nor Tom Woodsha on Shin, and that's the different workshops you can do, like an Irish dancing workshop or maybe a trad workshop if you're learning or want to learn more about some of those things. Matatu Egeri Nismo Olam Fina Ruddy Shane Dawson Heron or Kjol Trad or whatever. I didn't look too much into the workshops near Misha really. Ag Janu more on Taija Stinkardlina. But the main 2 things that and that's the only thing you have to pay for in Cáceres. If you want to do the workshops, you have to pay for them. Everything else is completely free and it's paid for by, I don't know, the council, I guess. So Gachra that like Cáceres, go Humlan Sir Ashka, Agus Kiapum, gur íochtar as leis on ayuntamiento, mar dearn siad an seo, the ayuntamiento or the council, I guess, in English. So that's one of the great things about it. It's also free and it's very open to the public and there's no hassle. Tá sé Sir an Ashkags, tá sé oscailte don football, agus tá sé an éisca chun don timpeall, agus dul shock payout to go in anywhere, any bar, whatever. And that's kind of the second thing, or the first of the 2 main things that we get involved in on Chéad Rud, Jin Dá Príomh Rud atá le siúl, and that's that there's trad sessions around the different bars throughout the day. Go sessiony trad siúls na títhe torvanna de friúla timpeall na Cathrach I ré on lay August Iritnahia and during the night as well. I mean, some of the sessions start at 12 and they must not end until 4 a.m. Along a session couple of gans in a session Renos chance ma go mean she like tosu ag mion lay at midday August Niveen she the Greek new gati pager a Cahar glug or margin, and it's just different musicians coming and going. You don't have to, it's classic session culture, I guess, culture session atá own classic hook. You can come in, land in, wind instruments, play along. You don't have to be, reserving ahead of time or anything like that. You can just sit down and play away. Tatunan see she's agus Dorlish Chasu, and sometimes there might be 5 or 6 people in session. We saw ones where there was 30 people maybe playing in a session. Or in Tabin Cougar no Shesh. I actually saw one where it was just one guy on his own playing the flute. Hunna made Ladawan or Lawan. Giant in a Tia Dorvana. Agus just be Ladawan and Shin ag Shenam on Ado Gwar in a Ainer. He's playing the long whistle or the flute or whatever the difference is. As you can tell probably already. Marsolji of Hanahan Agus Shifsha Agash the Clasho while you're listening to this. I'm not a big trad head. I'm not too interested in trad, but I do like it and I do appreciate it. Neil more and Simagum so trad Akfos is Matlame is Bunim Tatnavas. But more as kind of background music as opposed to really focusing in a Shnis Momar Kjol Chulra Istoka in arch like a Jiru a shocker. But that's on throughout the day, and the 7 or 8 pubs around the city that will have sessions, and it's really interesting. Like probably in terms of the people going to the festival and going to these different events, probably 80% Spanish, 20% Irish. Bidger Octo Fungade, lucht na Héireann agus ochta fungéid lucht na Spáine agus octo fungéid lucht na fiche fungéid. Jeez, my numbers are all over the place today. Tá ma hifrica fud na háte in 80% are Spanish, so hartar octo fungéid lucht na Spáine, and about 20% are Irish. I would say ballpark figures. Hartar fiche fungéid lucht na Héireann. Then in terms of the musicians and the singers and sessions, maybe about 50-50 hart or quaige, but it's amazing the Spanish interest in the event and in trad music in general. Not just talking about Castras, tá sé duchhardsa an méid sima atá ag na Spáinnig san imeacht in the event, ach freshen just i gceol tradiisiúnta go generalta. And this is something a lot of different people I've met around Spain, and again, whether it be people going to Castras, níl bháin daoine ag dul go Castras, but just in general in my travels and my time in Spain, 5 years here now, hartar cúig bliain an seo. And the amount of people who say they're interested in Irish culture and like proper Irish culture in terms of the music. Or I met a girl a few weeks ago who told me that her dog is named Éire. Bhfuil mé le chalín cúpla seachtain hin agus dúirt sí lom, Éire an tanam atá Moadra. And she had never been in Ireland, or, it's amazing the kind of connections that people have or the interests people have. Tá si dochreid an sim atá ag daoine agus na ceangailtí atá ag daoine le Héireann here in Spain. And this is in south of Spain, which is definitely the least Irish part of it. It's where the probably least amount of Irish are, apart from Malaga and Marbella. Shocks Malaga and Marbella, níl mór an Éireann ag an seo ar chur, but it's a lot more Irish in Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, probably Galicia as well. Sean Spán Gwil níos mó in Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, Beidir, Galicia and a lot of places in the north even. The Basque Country, Future and Moscow, they all have kind of connections to Ireland in some way, but south really doesn't. And yet you meet so many people who have these stories, or they know about the Irish language and know about the kind of revival with the Irish language. Tá a long rud i Arolas acu, no cúpla rud Arolas acu rénos madra le teanga na Héireann, madra leis an Gaelga agus abheochan na Gaelga, the kind of Irish language revival. And I'm always surprised by that, and I think sometimes in Ireland we forget. In a lot of ways we are really famous around the world, and I think we know that. In a land bally támad an cháúil timpeall down, agus tá sé sin Arolas agin. But in a lot of ways we overestimate as well, being much a ceapú gúil sin níos mó ná mar atá sé, we kind of think it's more than it is. So it's funny, it's like there's loads of people, even in Spain, who wouldn't even know that Ireland is an independent country. They think it's part of the UK, still tá land daoine fós sa Spáin, agus ceapan siad nach bhfuil éire mar hir navsblach, ceapan siad gúil sé mar chuid de réic dainty, and they don't know we have a language and everything else, ní le sacu gúil teangágin agus gachar eile. But equally, there's a lot of people who are really into the kind of more niche elements or specific elements of our culture. Fós tá lán daoine agus tá sim acu sna gnéithe níos is dócha, like na gnéithe le dar gultúir, such as trad music or the language even. So it's interesting, but I suppose different story for a different day. Scéal eile le haid lá eile. But yeah, it's amazing when you go to Castras again. Okay, you meet a few Irish, but it's not like going to a music festival or a kneecap gig in Sydney or something where it's just everyone. Not at all. You'll hear a lot more Spanish than you will Irish, and even the Irish that are there, few na Héireann atá an sin, often it's Irish who live in Spain or used to live in Spain and have been there a long time. A lot of Éireann ina gcónaí sa Spáin agus tá siad an sin the tamil fada, that they've been there a long time. No beidir go raibh siad ina gcónaí sa Spáin. And again, because of Castra's geographical location, because it's not close to any of the Irish hubs in Spain, Marial na cuil sé congurc le na príomháiteanna le hain Héireann. It's not near Malaga or Marbella or Barcelona or Mallorca or the Canaries. Then say congurc dains and a hots and a shin. It's not close to any of those places. You don't kind of get the just Irish abroad for a year and hasn't learned a word of the language. Níl few focail amháin fólamha acu sa Spanish. It's kind of, I don't want to sound snobby here, Níl mé céirí, like is tócha cuma ard nósach a chur orm an seo, but it really does feel like it's Irish people are more interested in, again, the connection between Spanish and Irish culture, and who've learned Spanish but also kind of still love our culture back at home. Tá Spanish fólamha acu ag fós tá siad an rá len our gultar hain or ashenéir. And so it's just interesting, just a really cool event, and so little hassle. Níl aon hassle ar churbe. You never have to queue for the bathroom, or there's no tickets for anything, there's no queues for anything, níl aon scúnaí ar churbe, níl aon tickets le haon rud, everything's free, the gachrad here in Ashka, there's no price hikes. The third thing, or the last thing that I've mentioned is that in between 9 in the evening until about 2 in the morning, a ní sníhagtí a dó o'clock or margin, there's concerts on with proper kind of famous trad musicians being killed Kermy or Shul Sir Freeth Carnog in the main square in the city with famous musicians. Again, I'm not too big in trad, so I don't know how famous these guys are. Níl mé rógáfa leis an trad, so níl sagam an bhfuil na lads seo nó na ceoltarí seo on the Chalul. But this year there was the Friel Sisters, there was Irish Treble, the Jansers, and Dowsery, Irish Treble, Stolen Notes, who are a Spanish group, Stolen Notes group of Spaniak. There was Polka 4, there was one other, McGoldrick and Tim Adey. I forget McGoldrick's first name, tá Jarmid Jane Tagamanish, Adam McGoldrick Shin on Slina, atá Ega. So kind of a mix again of Irish, English, Spanish musicians, Ceoltarí, the Heron, Ceoltarí, the Spania, Ceoltarí, Hasana, but all playing the same time. Music more or less playing some form of trad music in the Gachtainna ag Shenam, Forum Egan, no Kilnall Egan, Ceol trad. So that was really, really good. Fisher Shin on wa fod, and nice to have those parts being able to go around to different places during the day and before and after the concert in the main square. Riv agus Thresh on Chilkerm, Sir Freeth Carno, kind of going to maybe an hour or an hour and a half each night in the main square to see some of the main acts. Ag dulbeid ar fa or Clegg no or le could see on Freeth Carno chun féchans cúpla ceans na príomh Bonnie and no príomh acts, kind of see some of the main bands or main groups or acts. So that was cool, and it's funny kind of because Caceres is a very small city and it's very walkable. Marial gwil Caceres mar chahir sock biog agus gwil che an éisca hun siúl a watch go hotch. You, as you're kind of going around, you just end up bumping into so many people. Been to a Castellas and Dini, like I saw. It could be people you know who live in Seville, people you know who live in other places in Spain. Dini will lat nugget. In a goni in Ochanellis spawn, no Seville, or people you didn't know but you met on Friday and you bump into them again on Saturday. Dini Nakrao at Nagatur who August on Shin Cossin too low air on Sahern, just three himpishta, kind of by accident or just by chance, la chance. And yeah, like saw one or two from Gibraltar and Lisbon who play on the football teams, the Gaelic football teams who are in our league. Chunach made lad no go. Gibraltar no Seville, Avinig Shenham, playing in my mind now after speaking about music for half an hour. It's just like Shenham. Avinig Immerts, of course, in Irish Arnoy Esquile Avinig Immerts slash no club on a Pelgoiluk, sa Shra atá agin. Like they were there kind of not randomly, but a lot of Irish from around the country, I suppose, especially from the south, go up to Lon, Earnig, Gavin, Inagoni, Spawn, Chain Sheed. So seeing them or other Irish I know from Seville or other Spanish that are in trad music that I know from Seville, Spawn, Gela, O Seville, Avin, Egdol, as well Simak, who's a trad, Hunnig me, eats on a chin. You're sitting down for lunch for your friends, then someone walks by you who you know, and you're chatting to them. How was last night? Couldn't be a rare and everything else. Agus Gakra Della. So just really cool. It's impossible. It's pretty bad if you're kind of a bit socially awkward or socially anxious and you don't want to talk to people. One will do a Gary Lauertzlet, Idi agus stop you getting imni social target. Bit tricky to avoid people, tá sé sochtachar hon is so gadini o lat nagat erhu a chakins. So maybe if you're that type of person, not the best event to go to. Beidir ma thought mar sin mar on face. It's fair on dull. I'm only joking, nime ach ag magu. But I can't recommend it enough, honestly, for people who kind of want to come to Spain and I'm not associated with them. I know there are some people who are. Tá some goil cúpla duine agus tá oriocht acu ó Caceres Irish Fla. They have sponsorship from the Fla. Brinsley McNamara was there. I didn't see him actually, but Brinsley McNamara, who runs the Weird Ireland Instagram page, tá session i Giannis ar an Latnach sin Weird Ireland, your Instagram, really great page. I was hoping to bump into him and chat to him. Bhí mé agsúil beidir chasú leis agus labhairt leis ar fra tamil, but didn't see him at all. I know he was there and he had a video which sums up much better than I've done. Tá físeán aige ar Instagram agus tá sais achrimra a Wadney's Far Ega. He has a much better summary of the event and what goes on with it on his Instagram than as I've done in this podcast rambling. Mar tá Jainta Agamsa on Bud Creila show just like ramblal. But if the organisers of the Castras Irish Flower are listening, má tá na hagrathóirí ag éisteacht leis an show seo, I'd be more than happy to accept a gifted stay next year. Fig Milan sauce the hun glacu le gifted stay on Bhlín Shogun and to do a bit of promotion throughout the year for the fla. Agus beagnaín chur hun cín a dhéanamh don fla imlína. But no, in all seriousness, in law Europe, if anybody's thinking of coming to Spain next year and doesn't just want to go to the Costa del Sol or Barcelona, the usual stuff, wants to go somewhere where it's kind of properly more Spanish and local, but also have a bit of a taste of home, ach freshen touch figure, rud egg and iron of achiv, and you know, to be able to just fly in somewhere and it's not crazy prices. It's, you know, you can sit down, get lunch for a tenner, get a beer for £3, loan all to €1, beer all it's at €3. Just keep it easy, keep it simple, really enjoy yourself, no stress, no hassle, gone stress, gone in Ibana. Honestly, come to Casters next year. I'm sure it'll be third weekend to September as always, 18th, 19th, 20th, around those dates. Up to Niu no Fihu Law, Heart Air na Dati Shin next year. Can't recommend it enough. Wulhin Gomor It's a really, really great event and really enjoyable. And yeah, just more than anything, the fact it's so easy. It's not like going to a big event where you're queuing up for the bathroom. It's like Sula Imucht, no Ócáid War, nor thought to ag Jane of Scoonia, Hun Juk all, no Dug Jane Lefres. So easy, so simple, easy to get accommodation. Ace Con Lochtina all. And yeah, really, really great event. Imucht an Anawa. Here fod. So yeah, that was it really. That was my weekend. Really enjoyable. Already looking forward to next year. Hanna féin Tomachik Tinu Gomor leis an Bhlín Shahugan. We were joking in the car about setting up the group chat for 2026 already. Vimens ag déanú a couple of jokes to chór ag láirt for, you know, on group chat. No chóra a churthú like gávíle is a fihe sé Hanna féin. Counting down the days, only 360 days or a few more to go until then. Ní lán ach trí chéad is a seasca lá. Fós le dul go dtí sin. So yeah, that's it guys. I don't think it's too much else for this week. Ní cheapan bhfuil mór an eile agam an tachtan seo. As always, if you are learning Irish, which I presume you are if you're listening to this version of the show, má tá tú ag fólam na Gaeilge agus is tócha seans má go bhfuil tú má tá tú ag éisteacht leis an show. There's way more stuff that we do and you can find out about it at learnirisherline.com or patreon.com/learnirisherline Tatuan Tacht ar na sin agus níos mó all amach learnirisherline.com no patreon.com/learnirisherline. In general, it's all our courses that are available on the main website, and then on Patreon it is the membership and all our exclusive videos and podcast shows over there. So Tatuan on the course you all hall an príomh si vidrolín agus an sin on Steve Patreon Tatuan on Ruddy Ellen Fishon use the podcrailty and bonus episodes Gaeilge Weekly and a whole lot more over there Tatuan on along Ruddy Ellen Fishon podcrailty agus Argrani Savresha Gaeilge Weekly all Patreon. That is it for this week. Big thank you for listening. Gurmina Magav as I'll speak to you guys next week or before then if you're following us over on the membership. No Rivishin má tá tú in our Lanich Hall on Ballyrocht. Goodbye and God bless Slán agus Baracht.